Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, Johanna Wahamanchu and Kanto Manchu. Welcome to a new vlog.
It's December vlog, so that's new.
Oh, okay.
It's special.
Oh, okay. It's December vlog. It's new and special. So we're going to the mall. Just come with us. Let's see. I will vlog guys where I can, because right now malls are so busy. I don't want anyone to take my phone. Yo, hi Shem. Phela batho ba nkunzi ba blind. So yeah, let's go to the mall.
Guys, my mom and dad are gonna buy me a present, and I'll choose.
Okay, she wants a present,
the Barbie
and
dream
she
house
says,
is gonna be for Christmas.
"Yo, I get to cry Barbie dream house, guys."
I'll tell
Sure.
Santa.
Okay, you'll tell Santa. Sure, guys. Happy Sayong. Yo, I can't take it. So see you guys later.
Natasha.
Ciao. Okay.
What's that? Sure.
Sure. Hi guys. So yeah, we are back from the shops. Guys, I'm so exhausted. Like malls exhaust me, especially during this time of the year. And I couldn't even get something for myself. And then nice poetry. I'm gunning for those. So let me show you what I bought for the kids. We're actually shopping for their Christmas presents. I don't have to shout because Santa needs to bring some presents. And then while we wait for Santa, this is what the girls what we bought for the girls. Because via Free State ready for their holidays. So go see, I bought this slippers. This is for Kaone. And then Kanso also wanted the same color. And for the toys, we went to Toy Kingdom. This is what big sister wanted.
Yes.
And just saying yes. This is what she got. Okay, and the toy, guys, I don't know, it's $5.59 the price. And then for the shoes, it's $179. And on there, I had to buy also this Lego because I'm a firm believer of when I buy toys, especially for little ones, they need to also teach them something. So I'm sure at crèche they'll be using this Legos, something similar when they learn. And then when I like trauma, guys, trauma. Government for trauma, bana ba rona ba gola ba itse lori tsa metsi, batho ba modimo, a 2-year-old ha bana lori ya metsi. So just to remind her hore mo lifeng hona le dintho tse tje. So I bought this truck for her. People will be like, it's not a boy, so I'm not gonna truck her. She actually loves moving toys. So this is the best. And it comes with this. There's a whole lot of this in my house. So yeah, this blocks. And somebody felt it fit for the rockets to play.
What's that trying to? I don't know why I'm smiling.
I did.
So you're trying to convert her.
One on the drama video nyak.
Oh.
Like.
Hey. I was even smiling. So.
I don't know
I'm smiling.
So.
And I was like, by the way, too enough.
Yeah.
So, the travel, we made a tomboy.
Ah, sugar. What like it's a tomboy. I. Okay. And go poetry. We bought this. Oh, this smells so nice, guys. It smells so nice. Like it will also. So give flavor ya orchids and I don't know what this is. Frank, I don't know. I'm not gonna even bother to pronounce it. Let me show you. Yeah, it was so good. It feels so good. Oh, I don't know what's this for. Scented sachets. Well, I didn't get this. Ah, they smell nice. I don't know how maybe we want more chili. Maybe perfumes are high. So this goes for $3.50, guys. Yo, this smells so divine. And another poetry baby for moi. Okay, my baby. So,
Hello.
we didn't forget about you. Okay, so I bought myself some sunglasses. I get to look for the aparakia guy, but I loved them. So I actually love them. So they come in this pouch, in the box, with the cleaner. And the glasses, I think it's 500, $4.99.
I have a song with this thing cut at the box.
Oh, this is how they look. And it's $4.99. So let's fit this baby, guys. This is pushing me to learn how to put my contact lenses because they are here sitting, and this is giving. Huh? Yo, I look fabulous. Kansa said it. Don't care what you're saying. My daughter said I look fabulous. Then I am fabulous. So yeah, guys, that's what we bought. And right now,
That's all for today.
I am so hungry. My husband is gonna cry. Actually, I'm gonna cry because he's going to the gym and I'm not coming with. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next one. This is just gonna be a short and sweet video. So enjoy.
Have a good day. Have a good Friday.
Have a good Friday.
It's Friday.
Love you guys.
And it's Saturday.
Sunday what?